Back everyone, today we're breaking down a clean 1 hour trade on NQ futures. But before we talk about the win, let's look at the bigger picture for the week. On Tuesday, I took a minor 0.6 hour loss. The difference between a professional and an amateur is while the amateur tried to revenge trade out of their losses, professionals sit on their hands and wait for their setup. I waited nearly a week for this exact higher time frame S&DR trade. In fact, I missed the entire New York session, went to the gym, and had to literally sprint home when I saw price pumping toward my level. I threw out my limit order, and it fully delivered in under 5 minutes. Let's break down exactly how it happened. If you're in the Discord, you know this wasn't luck. I posted this exact higher time frame level all the way back on May 15. I've been tracking it very carefully, and on this morning's live stream, I explicitly told everyone, if price hits this zone today, I'm taking the trade. Having a community and streaming live keeps me entirely accountable to my plan. When you state your intentions out loud, you remove the urge to hesitate. Let's look at the top-down analysis. If we go to the hourly chart, we see we have wicked a higher time frame low. This is our higher time frame low. This is us wicking it. We already did this on Tuesday. This was also the place where I took the 0.6 hour loss. With us wicking this higher time frame low, I had us trading all the way back into the range. I had this S&DR marked out since May 15, just like I said. I had us trading all the way up yesterday to take out this 4-hour week high because this did not put in a new low. Also wicked the higher time frame low. So when the market opened on 9:30, I noticed there was an MM forming just above the open. What I wanted to see was a sweep trade back into the range, trade out of it, and then another sweep which takes us lower. What we ended up trading into was the hourly wick. This is the hourly wick left behind, which was still unmitigated. We did a double bottom at the bottom of that higher time frame protected low and traded all the way higher, all the way to our S&DR. I noticed the price was heading into my direction, so I quickly got up and placed my limit at the 50%. It tapped and delivered in just 5 minutes. Now, look at my reaction right now. I'm not jumping around screaming or bragging about making over $1,000 in under 5 minutes. And that brings me to a massive trading tip. You must learn to never get excited about your winners. Why? Because the psychological high you feel when you win is directly tied to an emotional despair you feel when you lose. If a big win makes you feel like a genius, a big loss will make you feel like a failure. And that emotional roller coaster is what causes revenge trading, over leveraging, and blown accounts. Act like a retail store owner. When a grocery store sells a gallon of milk, the cashier doesn't throw a party. It's just a standard transaction. Treat your winning trades like a standard transaction. Stay flat and stay neutral. Consistency is just executing the same proven plan day in, day out. If you want to see these levels before they play out live, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications for my daily NQ streams, and join the free Discord down below. I'll see you guys in the next recap. Safe trading.